When it comes to Italian cuisine, you can think of pasta like the canvas of a painting. You can pair your pasta with almost any protein or sauce that your taste buds desire. And few chefs know that better than our friend right here, Joe Bellia from Joe's La Roma. He's here for another Mamma Mia Monday. Welcome.
Good to see you.
What are we pairing with our pasta today?
So today we're going to make a little bit of seafood, little scallops and shrimp with pasta.
Okay.
We call this at the restaurant, we call this tuxedo seafood, but today I didn't bring the squid ink pasta.
Squid ink pasta. Oh my God.
Squid ink.
So squid ink pasta, I don't know if you've ever seen squid ink pasta. It's dyed black. Doesn't have any taste, it just gives it color.
Oh.
So I mix it with the regular Alfredo or fettuccine.
Okay.
And gives it like a tuxedo look.
Okay, so that would be cool.
That makes sense. All right.
I'm gonna have Jimmy help me out here with just putting the scallops, dipping into the blackened seasoning there, if you don't mind.
Both sides, one side?
One side's good, right into the pan.
Okay.
Yep.
How many you want? All of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
All of them. So you got a big Sunday coming up, don't
We
you?
got Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Looking forward to that, are you?
I am. Don't know where I'm being taken for my Mother's Day yet.
So we're doing a brunch this Mother's Day. We're doing from 11 to 3. We usually close on Sundays, except when we do the Sunday supper. We're doing a brunch. You can make a reservation. We're almost sold out. Maybe sold out by the end of the night, I'm assuming.
On the phone now. Get on the phone now.
So you can reserve a table for whatever time you'd like between the 11 and 3 slot.
Okay, so what's going to
So
be
we're
in
going to
there?
do crab omelets. We're going to do filet and egg. And we're doing all kinds of breads and muffins, a little bit of chicken Astoria. We're going to mix the breakfast and the dinner together
Yeah?
for everybody. Yeah.
So is your mom going to be there?
My mother's going to be there. Of course. It's the one day that I cook for her.
Aw, that's nice.
Thanks, Jimmy, for doing that. We're going to put a little bit of butter. When I say a little bit, you like that, right?
A little bit of butter.
A little bit of butter.
Just a little pat of butter.
Just going to get this going a little bit.
Love to see you with a whole lot of butter.
So all I'm doing right now is just getting a little bit, infusing a little bit of flavor from the blackened seasoning with the scallops.
Right.
We give them a little bit of a crust. We're going to throw these. So we got a half a pound of scallops, about a half a pound of shrimp. That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and throw those in.
And you said these scallops are from?
They're deep water scallops out of the Boston, Massachusetts area.
Okay.
My
You went
fishmonger.
swimming just this morning?
Yeah, just got back.
You dove to the bottom of the sea for them.
I do recommend sea scallops instead of the bay scallops for this dish. Just get a little more deeper flavor.
Is it really?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay.
I think sea scallops have a little more flavor than
I love scallops, just in general.
so many different ways, so many different things you do and bake and wrap them, right? So we got, like I said, a little bit of butter and the shrimp and scallops in there. If you don't mind, we got a little bit of white wine.
Okay.
Dump about half of that in, if you don't mind.
Okay. You know I don't mind.
I know you don't mind. Just gonna go up a little bit higher here.
Okay. And that's when
can
you really
smell
smell it right there.
This is a lot of Italian dishes have garlic or cheese,
Right.
and this is just white wine and cream. You would think when somebody says butter, white wine, and cream, you think of a heavier dish.
Yeah.
This is really light, really thin sauce, really light, something for the summertime.
Really? Okay.
So we're just gonna do this here.
Okay.
Just cook it, and if you don't mind, about half of that cream.
And this is heavy cream. That good?
Perfect.
Oh,
Oh.
Gotta cook for about 2 minutes or so.
about 2 minutes?
I'm gonna throw my little seasoning in here.
That's your secret stuff?
Just a little something.
A little something to make.
Salt and pepper.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so what's going on this week? I mean, we talked about Mother's Day.
Right.
So,
So this week we're going to be featuring this special here with the tuxedo pasta. We do have our Takeout Tuesday next Tuesday, and we're pretty full this week. We're reserved pretty full. I guess people are getting ahead of the Mother's Day, so looking forward to that. We're going to have some nice specials though.
oh, okay.
We're located right in Fruitland, 213 across from the Food Lion, and you can find us on Facebook.
Right.
Or right on our website, joeslaroma.com.
Joe's La Roma, and all the best Italian food you could ever want, and Mom could want too.
Yeah.
I'd say that's just about ready, isn't it?
It is. It didn't take long.
Didn't take long at all.
About 3 minutes or so. And we're just gonna. So I put a little bit of cream in here with the pasta on low that I just cooked before we got here, and just gonna put that to the dish. And just a little bit more than a portion, I would say.
Oh. There's two of us, yeah. You don't want us fighting over the food. I
Right.
get that.
Nope.
And then it's just pour our seafood right on top. Like I said, this sauce is nice and thin.
Oh, wow, it is.
That's a lot of food right there.
It is. We have some people here, right?
Lisa has already spied where the scallops
Does
are.
it look bigger? Does it look bigger on TV? Like, you know, everybody looks. Does this look like 20 pounds heavier too?
That's what it is exactly. Look at that. Look at that.
We're just gonna do a little bit of garnish, you know, make it look good. A little diced tomato.
Nice tomato. Oh, it's beautiful.
There we go.
Almost too pretty to eat, but
Almost.
Almost.
Give it a
not. That
try.
won't stop us.
There you go.
Never
We'll
does.
fire ourselves here.
Oh,
Joe,
you
'cause
know.
we're
Okay,
gonna-
yeah, I'm going in for the
She's
scallop.
going in for the scallops. I'm grabbing me a shrimp.
Looks good.
Oh, it does look good.
I'm getting some pasta in mine.
And
No,
this-
maybe not.
So this is what you've got coming up.
Yeah. So for this week's special, one of our special just got some scallops in, so we're gonna run them out.
That is so good. Joe Bellia, Joe's La Roma in Fruitland. Give them a call because you need to make reservations. You're filling up fast.
Yes, we are.
All right. Stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.